Splash around, splash around. Splish, splash, splish, splash is the sound. I love getting wet, wet, wet. Oh, splashing water is the best. Come splash around, come splash around. Play, 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 I love to play. Watching droplets as they spray. Stomp my feet and jump around. Feel the water coming down. Splash around, splash around. Splish, splash, splish, splash is the sound. I love getting wet, wet, wet. Oh, splashing water is the best. Come splash around, come splash around. Ride, ride, ride the wave today. Hold on tight, up and away. Slip and slide, oh slip and slide. So much fun, my hands up high. Splash around, splash around. Splish, splash, splish, splash is the sound. I love getting wet, wet, wet. Oh, splashing water is the best. Splash around, splash around. Splish, splash, splish, splash is the sound. I love getting wet, wet, wet. Oh, splashing water is the best. Come splash around, come splash around. Splash around, come splash around. Working together is so much fun. Two can be so much better than one. I'm so glad to have you here, you and me together. Together is better together. Together is better together. Two heads to figure out what to do. Two eyes to see each and every clue. Two hands to do the work we need. Two legs to put us in the lead. Together is better together. Together is better together. Two doing this job is number one. Two makes two plus me getting it done. Couldn't do it all without your help. Look at us now, we're doing so well. Working together is so much fun. Two can be so much better than one. I'm so glad to have you here, you and me together. Together is better together. Together is better together. You and me together. Better together. So much better together. Working together is so much fun. Two can be so much better than one. I'm so glad to have you here, you and me together. Together is better together. Together is better together. You and me together. Better together. So much better together. Big red truck, looking out for all of us. Big red truck, fire engines power up. Thank you for protecting the neighborhood. Oh, big red truck, you look so good. Putting out fires wherever they start. Big red truck, you are so smart. Big red truck, looking out for all of us. Big red truck, fire engines power up. Nina, Nina, here we go. Big red truck, let's go, go, go. Springing into action when duty calls. Big red truck, spring waterfalls. Keeping us safe in the name of the game. Big red truck will make it rain. Big red truck, looking out for la 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 la. La 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 la. Up so high, up so high, up so high.
Hey friends, it's me, Ruby Roo. I'm back and I'm ready to explore fun new locations and face daring challenges with my best pal, Ruby. Are you ready, little buddy? Whoa, what is this place? Whoa, Ruben, what is this place? I mean, check it all the funny pictures on the wall. This must be the Museum of Illusions. I have always wanted to come here. That's right, Ruben. An illusion is where you think you see one thing, but in actuality, it's something completely different, like a trick on your eyes. Watch. Ta-da! An illusion. Come on, Ruben. I'll show you what I mean. Whoa! Just kidding. It's just a picture. Nothing to worry about, Ruben. I've heard that some of the items in this museum are real and some are just illusions. So the fun is trying to figure out which is which. Come on, Ruben. Let's go explore. Come on, Ruben. Don't be such a fraidy cat. I know exactly where we are. I think the exit is that way. Or is it that way? Maybe it's... Maybe we're lost after all, Ruben. I don't know, but maybe it's just an illusion. Another illusion. I should have guessed. Ruby! Woo! Thank you. Great job, everybody. New quest! Find your way out. Amazing! Wait, find your way out? Okay, there's no sense messing around. We have to find our way out. No magic illusion is gonna scare us, right, Ruben? I am just sure, Ruben, that we came this way. You know, if only we had a map or something, and then we could... Is this an illusion? Or is this the real deal? I don't even know. Ruben, maybe we should go around? Another illusion. Or is it? Maybe we can fly our way out of here. This place is so much fun, Ruben. I really like it here. I just can't wait for our next challenge. New challenge? Cross the gap for 20 Roo points. Cross the gap for 20 Roo points? I can't do that. Okay, I guess we gotta cross the gap. Great. Ruben, no sudden moves. Gently, gently. I can't do it! I'm scared of heights. Okay, but how can I tell if it's an illusion? That's a good idea, Ruben. Let's see now. feeling, I have an idea. Initiating power up. Whoa! Wait a second. We did it! Ruben, we reverse gravity. This is so neat. Come on, let's go have a look around. Ruben, we did it! We found the exit! We found the way out! Oh! Hey, Morgan! Hey, Robert! What are you guys doing here? Oh. Just another illusion? I should have guessed. Thank you. Oh, hey! It's just an illusion.